The eye is caressing. The eye has a lot to do with the quality of the moon. And the moon is in a way, the sun, you have the planetary system, and there's the center, and there's the circumference, and the planets have exactly to follow their paths corresponding to what they weigh and how much the sun weighs. And the moon, though it's a connection between center and periphery, and the moon is dealing with the space in between. Yeah? And the moon, in a way, is also this force which creates, is responsible for the energy which lives in the seeds of the plants. And the original idea, what it could be, is like a memory around it. So we have both. You have this, this could be, or this potential, this sympathy thing. But in a way, we have also this quality, it's condensed into a seed and it has to wait the whole winter and don't come out before. Yeah? So you have, in everything, you have the polarity in it. So this eye gesture is this caressing gesture where I go deeply into it. But what you can also experience when somebody really sees you, you yourself start to grow. You feel yourself, you feel your center, you feel your energy coming, and he sees me. For this reason, I experience myself and my potential suddenly. Yeah? That's in professional life an important thing you must look at. If you see your employees or they feel seen, they can do much more for you or for the whole. So, what I wanted to say you is, if you have this touching energy, you can decide to flow into this beautiful caressing thing. But you can go into this, what is this being caressed doing with you? And then you feel that being caressed, being seen, brings something about in you which the core of you. And that's also in the eye gesture. So you have in the sympathy the one aspect of the eye gesture, of the giving one, and in the antipathy there's a little bit this core question, yeah? And in antipathies I'm hitting against something and I have to fight something, and through this I'm confronted with myself more, as if things go easy and I can flow with sympathy into the world. So I have suddenly to deal with myself. Do I protest? Do I not protest? And so on. And that's what I wanted to show, that what do I do when I come back with sympathy? I stay connected with the sphere of warmth down there. And when I'm doing the antipathy, I stay not connected with cold. One could think polarity is warm and cold. And my suggestion is to have something positive, which I want to incorporate. I feel myself, and this feeling myself I bring back towards my middle. That was my idea for this part, to integrate. But you're right, the eye gestures a very giving gesture, connecting with what is there. But it's also connecting with what is there.